The answer is no. The answer is no, we cannot. But we'll carry on anyway. Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Libations Beyond the Ordinary. This channel is dedicated to finding the classic cocktail recipes of the future. We don't want to mess around. We want to find things that are new and interesting and sophisticated. For this episode, we're going to be working on a recipe called the Apple Zombie Apocalypse. I read a book a long time ago by a fellow named Desmond Bagley, and it was called Running Blind. It's a great book. It might be out of print. If you could find it, I recommend it. The villain of that book was very obsessed with Calvados. Calvados is an apple brandy from France, and I managed to procure a bottle of this at my local Bevmo, and we're going to see what we can do with this. Before I go any further, just in case you're following along at home, you can get this recipe and a number of other recipes in the book Libations Beyond the Ordinary, which is on Amazon. There is a link in the description below. So let's get started with this. The first thing we're going to need is our Calvados. So we will get that in there. And then some Cointreau, sticking with our kind of French theme. Fresh lemon. And the secret ingredient in this is honey syrup. And if you don't have honey syrup at your store, you can make it yourself. It's half honey and half water. Just heat it up till the honey dissolves. And we are supporting the American beekeeper. This is from our local hive in Southern California. And here is the honey syrup that I made. The question is, can I actually successfully pour out of this container? And we're going to find that out. But the answer is no. The answer is no, we cannot. But we'll carry on anyway. And our final ingredient is 2 dashes of aromatic bitters. Shake this up and see what it tastes like. Whoa, look at that. That has kind of a mysterious and interesting color. I don't know if you're really picking this up in the camera, but this is an unusual shade. It's kind of amberish, but definitely you can see the honey in there. Let's give it a go. Wow, that's quite good. You can definitely taste the apple, and you can taste the kind of orangey flavor that the Cointreau is throwing in there, the lemon juice of course, and the honey gives it all kind of a smoothness. I highly recommend this. On our 11-point scale, I'm going to give this an 8, and I recommend that you try it. And if you've enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe. That's about it. We'll catch you in the next one.